and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. This is tip and trick number 9, and this is to help, especially if you're working with a large painting but in a smaller space. So I have this painting here. What is the width of this one? Does it actually say on it? I cannot remember. It's a big one. Oh, I've got the box here. It is 186 centimetres by 51 centimetres. So this is really long. I mean, the worktop that I have for filming is quite long, but it still won't fit the whole thing flat. And I do actually work on this on my couch in front of the TV. Now, when I'm working on a painting, I like to have, you know, some way of compacting it a little bit. And you can just roll it up. You can just roll it up and let it sit there, rolled. You can also do the same on a section that you've finished. So this is part of what I've finished. And for when you've finished, you roll the diamonds out. But when I'm working on it and I haven't yet done it, I tend to roll it the way it came. So in this case, it was rolled inwards. But one thing that can really help with that is the likes of something similar to pipe lagging. So this is something we have available in the UK. It comes with a slit and you just need to, you know, make it come apart. And it's used for going round pipes. So it's quite cheap from your local DIY store. You can also use pool noodles if pipe lagging isn't something that's readily available in your country, but you would have to create the slit yourself. And then what you do is you thread it onto the end of your painting. So I tend to find this way is the easier way to do it, is to sort of thread it on and then push it up. But sometimes you can just tuck it in, but I tend to find this way sits a little bit better. You sometimes then have to tweak it a little bit, but the idea is to just get the end of your diamond painting inside the pipe and then use the pipe lagging to roll your painting. And then you can then get it to a point where you can work on a section. For the other end, I have actually just put a couple of little binder clips on the end just to stop it unrolling completely. But I have done exactly the same thing. There's a piece of pipe lagging on this end. The difference is I roll this end outwards. I do have a video on, actually it's on this painting, on working on a larger diamond painting and how I do it on an easel. But I like to have hold of this pipe lagging for pretty much all of my paintings, even the ones that have finished. The reason I like them on the ones that I've finished is the weight of the diamonds can sometimes make basically the end of it squish because of the heavy diamonds. They will squash down and they will give you sort of a line. It's a line that will come out when you lay it flat, but it is there. It will give you sort of a crease, whereas by putting in the pipe lagging, it's not able to crease. There's nowhere for it to go. So I highly recommend having hold of pipe lagging or pool noodles to put on either paintings you're working on or paintings you've completed but aren't framed. Get some pipe lagging or a pool noodle or something just to wrap your painting onto. You can also use the white stuff that some paintings come with, though that doesn't have a slot for you to slip the painting into to help it to grip, but it works just the same. A piece of foam in a roll to stop your painting going flat. So that is tip and trick number, what were we on? number 9. Hopefully that will help some of you, especially if you're working on a large painting. I say I do have a full video on it, and I just roll it up this way and out this way as I go along until the painting is completed. And I've not found that there's any problems with the canvas due to the fact that it's staying rolled and it's not squashing with any weight. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.